Hello and welcome back beautiful people to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change your date and time in PC, how you can customize your date and time. So right click on it and from here go to adjust date and time, select this one and here you can see set time automatically. It is enabled in default. So if you want to set your time automatically, then you can select this one, set time automatically. Or if you want to change your date and time manually, then you need to disable this and click on change. So you can manually change your date and time in PC. So I'm going to enable this set time automatically. Or you can set this set time zone automatically. If you enable this time zone will be disabled. Or you can change your time zone from here, like this. You can select any of these. So in this way you can change your date and time in PC. So guys, I hope you understand this video. Please subscribe this channel for more videos.